welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded a video in like 6 months, but today I'm gonna do a video for y'all. So today I'm gonna do a pink and orange look. So guess let's just get started. So I already primed my eyelids and did my eyebrows off camera. So let's just go ahead and start doing it. So what I'm gonna start, the palette I'm gonna use is the Jeffree, the Morphe X James Charles one. And I'm gonna take this blending brush. So I already had did this look, but I had to do it all over again because the video I had recently did on this look somehow erased. So now I have to do it all over again, but it's alright. So I'm just gonna take this AOA blending brush and I am going to take this color right here. That color, it's called Self-Made. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pack on this pink color. We're gonna blend it into the crease. So I'm gonna pack it on like this. Okay, so now that is on, I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit more. Okay, so now I am just gonna take this brush, it's a docolor brush, and I'm just gonna keep on blending it out. Blending, you have to blend for a long time. It takes a while to blend. Okay, so now that we're done with blending, that, I am going to cut the crease. Okay, so I'm gonna get my brush. Okay, so I'm gonna get this Luxie small shader, but I'm using it for my crease because it's more littler. It's the Luxie 245 small shader. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to get my my 16 hour camo concealer in the shade Light Peach. I'm just gonna put it on the brush. So now what I'm gonna do is put it right here, look up, and that line is gonna give me direction on where to put the concealer. Okay, so now that I've done that, we're just gonna let this dry a little bit. Okay, so now that it's dry, I am going to get this other purple docolor brush. It's like a fluffier shading brush. And I'm just gonna get my James Charles X Morphe palette, and I am going to get this shade right here. It's the shade 5118. Wait, 5115 actually. 815. It's in the shade 815. So I'm just gonna get that color. So I'm just gonna start packing it on where the concealer is. Okay, so now I'm just taking a little brush, the e.l.f. small precision brush. It's just a little one, and I am going to go back in with that orange shade and mix all this up. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I am going to, I'm gonna go back in with that pink shade, and I'm going to blend this out. Okay, so we're just blending this out so it won't look too harsh right here. Okay, so now that we're done with that, I am going to get, okay, so now I am going to get this little liner brush, and I'm gonna go back in with that Morphe X Jeffree palette. And what I'm gonna do is take this. It's a glitter, pressed in glitter. The shade is Millions, and I'm gonna take this little side, this little liner. And I'm gonna, so where the pink and the meat, the pink and the orange meet right here, I am going to put this glitter right there. Okay, so that's how it looks. Okay, so now I am just gonna do my other eye off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I'm done with both of the eyes, I am gonna put on some mascara. I am going to do the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Now I'm just gonna do my face makeup, and I'll be back with that look. I'll be back with the full look after I'm done with my face makeup. Bye. Okay, so now I am done with the full face of makeup. This is how the makeup look turned out, and I really like it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and watch my other videos. I have a video on how I do my eyebrows, and just go watch that if y'all want. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Oh, in my next video, it's gonna be how I do my face makeup. So just go watch that, and I'll see you later on. Bye.